Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to use this ultrasonic cleaner that you can use to clean your retainer, to clean dentures. You can also use it to clean jewelry and stuff like that. So it does, you can also do it, have it to clean toothbrushes. So the toothbrushes, you just stick them in this hole, the head goes in the hole there. But anyways, this is ultrasonic cleaning and also with UV light. So you can do ultrasonic and UV, or you can do just the ultrasonic cleaning, or you can do just the UV. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But first of all, we're going to open it up and you're going to put whatever you want to get cleaned in this little tray here, and you're going to fill this up with water to make sure whatever you have that you want to clean gets submerged in the water or the cleaning solution. But you want to make sure you don't go over this maximum cleaning line. Once we do that, we can go ahead and close it, and then we have sort of 4 different options. We have UV and ultrasonic 5-minute cycle, a 10-minute cycle, and then we have just UV, and then we have just ultrasonic. So basically, if I want the UV plus ultrasonic short cycle, I'm just going to hit this once. If I want the long cycle, I'm just going to hit it twice. And then if I hit it again, it'll turn off. Now, if I just want the UV, I'm just going to long press this. And now it's going to give me 10 minutes of just UV. And then if I want just ultrasonic, I start it and then I long press, and then it will turn off the UV and just give me ultrasonic. So that's really all there is to it. If you're interested in this device, I will put a link to it.